चल हो जा शुरू।
केसरिया से मन जोगी हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे।
हर पल मनाओ केसरी त्योहार। विमल, बोलो जुबान केसरी।
And we begin first up with the EVM tampering controversy that rages on with all-out politics that has erupted. In fact, in the latest, Maharashtra Chief Minister Eknath Shinde has given it back to the EVM doubters. He's rather questioned Rahul Gandhi that if Rahul Gandhi has finds faults in that EVM machine, then why is it that Rahul Gandhi has won from the Wayanad and the Rai Bareli seats? So Eknath Shinde responding to the EVM tampering theory and giving it back to the EVM doubters. He said that if the EVMs are said to be faulty, then why is it that the Gandhi sign won 2 seats, one the Wayanad and the second being Rai Bareli? Listen in to that strong response coming in from the Maharashtra Chief Minister.
जहाँ महाविकास आघाड़ी की जीत हो गई उधर ईवीएम मशीन सही है, और जब हार हो गई तो ईवीएम मशीन के ऊपर ऑब्जेक्शन लेना, ये तो कौन सी हरकत है? अभी राहुल गांधी तो 2 जगह से जीते हैं, तो ईवीएम मशीन उधर बराबर थी, उधर बराबर थी, तो उन्होंने कहना चाहिए ईवीएम मशीन सब जगह खराब थी, मैं इस्तीफा देके फिर से चुनाव लड़ता हूँ। ऐसा होता है क्या? और ईवीएम मशीन के बारे में सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने भी डिसीजन दिया हुआ है, और जहाँ उनको ज्यादा सीटें मिलती है वो ईवीएम अच्छी है, और जहाँ हार जाते हैं वो ईवीएम खराब है। ऐसा कहीं होता है क्या?
प्रधानमंत्री को भी लेकर उन्होंने कहा कि प्रधानमंत्री भी हारने वाले थे, अगर प्रियंका गांधी वहां से खड़ी होती तो प्रधानमंत्री हार जाते वहां।
नहीं, पहले तो अभी उन्होंने ईवीएम के बारे में जो ऑब्जेक्शन दिया है तो वो जहाँ से जीते हैं वो उन्होंने छोड़ना चाहिए, ईवीएम की वजह से जीते हैं ना।
Thank you for staying with Republic, and well, we now move on to getting you the latest from the world of business. Now, this is in the run-up to the full budget that is going to be presented by Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman. Pre-budget consultations with industry chambers that are set to happen on the 20th of June, and the budget that is likely to be presented in the second half of July. To get more insights, of course, I have with me in the studio Rajat Mishra, Assistant Editor, Economy and Policy from Republic Business. Now, Rajat, what's really expected?
So Suesha, we already know on the last Thursday, entire finance ministry went in the quarantine because the budget preparation kicked off. Now what we are picking up is that the industry consultation with industry chambers like CII, FICCI is going to take place on June 20th. And that would be preceded by a meeting with the Revenue Secretary Sanjay Malhotra. Also there are expectations that a budget will be presented in the second half of July. But that depends largely on the time these consultations take, because these consultations will take minimum 10 days, and that will play a decisive role in deciding at what time the budget will be presented. But largely the expectation and what we are picking up from our sources is that budget will be presented in the second half, maybe after 10th of July the budget will be presented. Also, we need to understand that why this budget is crucial, because in this budget we will find next generational reform which will highlight the ideology of Prime Minister Narendra Modi road to Viksit Bharat. Also, this is coming in a backdrop when the government have more fiscal headroom to spend. And just to tell our viewers, as the government expected the RBI dividend of at 1 lakh crore rupees, but they got whooping 2.1 lakh crore rupees. So there is a clear 1 lakh crore rupees of a fiscal headroom to spend more. And there are also speculation that this time maybe some populist measures will be announced as expected from the various quarters. So that is what we expect from this budget, Suesha.
All right, Rajat, many thanks for getting us those details. Of course, we keep coming back to you as further developments happen. For the moment, a short commercial break, also a quick check of the big stories we're tracking for our viewers this morning. Yediyurappa is all set to appear before the CID today. This after Karnataka High Court had restrained the police from arresting him in the POCSO case. And as the latest political flashpoint between the BJP and the Congress in Karnataka over fuel price hike, BJP is all set to stage protests.